Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to measure your internet speed and see how good it is. Alright, so on your preferred web engine, your preferred, currently using Google Chrome here, type speedtest.net, or I'll leave this link in the description down below so you can easily get directed to this website and click on go. Obviously, I zoomed in a bit on the website because there's a lot of information, and let's start on a couple shots. So the first thing is this, and then your downloads by megabits per second, and then your uploads by megabits per second. Now, I have very terrible Wi-Fi, as you can probably already be seeing right now. It's not very good, and it always just leaves, it's just terrible, basically. So it'll start by downloads. So there it is. Stopped, and then we'll do now the upload. You've probably already heard of this website. I'm just going to show you how to, just use it the easiest way. As you can see, the upload speeds are absolutely terrible. So I'm going to upload this. It's going to take an absolute century. Yep, 0.26 megabits per second. It's not good at all. It's not good. So once it stops, and then it's gonna, pretty sure it's just gonna give you the results. So here they are, and thank you for watching, and see you.